Hence, today's video will install bonus wheel spacers for the Maserati Granturismo. What's the pros of installing these wheel spacers?
The Maserati Granturismo wheel spacers will improve performance and appearance. They make the wheels feel the fender well, achieving a more aggressive and sportier stance. By moving the wheels and tires afterwards, these Maserati Granturismo wheel spacers increase the track width. A wider track provides your Maserati sports car with better traction, handling, and stability. Apart from the basic spacer functionality, BONOSS Forge active cooling Maserati Granturismo wheel spacers offer more extra useful advantage. There are petal-shaped grooves carved on the back sides. We call it active cooling grooves. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the Maserati Granturismo wheel spacers when rotating. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. They are CNC machined, precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that contact with other parts, such precise BONOSS wheel spacers are perfect for your wheel upgrades.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get these bonus wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.